Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can verify your account or how you can verify your age on X. If I go and press on my profile icon on the top right, and if I go on the, as you can see here, settings and privacy, then security and account access, and then security again, as you can see here, here there is ID verification, and to have a basically verified account, I need to have a premium and to upgrade it to premium. All you need to do here is to press on your profile icon on the top left. Then you need to go to, as you can see, there should be somewhere a premium. Yeah, so premium. Then as you can see, you can upgrade to premium starting at $8 a month in my case, and your account will be verified. You can get bunch of different perks here. Read it out, but that's the only basically thing how you can verify your account right now. If it helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you.